Hi, I'm Evan Kleinschmidt, and I'm the State Bar of New Mexico's Director of Communications. In January 2018, the Bar Bulletin started to publish every other week instead of every week. In light of this change in frequency, we created a few resources to help ease the transition and make sure members can still find access to the information they're used to. I'm going to show you some of those resources today. First, visit the State Bar's homepage at nmbar.org. Under the Bar Bulletin and Events tab on the right, click Bar Bulletin. You can access this page faster by typing in nmbar.org/Bar Bulletin. This first page, the Read tab, is where you can always find access to the Bar Bulletin. Recently, we started using an e-reader for the Bar Bulletin. It is called Issue. This gray box is where you can find that. If you prefer to read the Bar Bulletin as a PDF in the standard way, all of that is located underneath if you scroll down. We have access to electronic issues of the Bar Bulletin through 2004 on our website. If you need access to an older issue, those hard copy books can be found at the State Bar Center in Albuquerque. The next page, About and Contacts, includes some useful information about the Bar Bulletin. This blue button is a publication schedule that includes the dates that we publish and notices and advertising deadlines. This page also includes useful contacts and descriptions of the different types of content we have in the Bar Bulletin. The next page is court documents. Since the Bar Bulletin is now published every other week, we wanted to make sure that members could still find the court documents they rely on. On this page, we link to the Supreme Court and Court of Appeals opinions. We also post clerk certificates and other court documents that we post in the Bar Bulletin. The remaining tabs on this web page include other useful information that you should review when you have time. Just like the Notices section in the Bar Bulletin, we created one on the website. You can access that under the Bar Bulletin tab and then choose Notices and Events. We have 3 tabs for notices and an online events calendar, which is really handy. We've separated notices online into State Bar, courts, and legal community. Any event, announcement, or deadline that relates to the legal community will be included here at no charge. We have State Bar, courts. This is where you'll be able to find information on investiture ceremonies, on reassignments, etc. We also include things for the general legal community, including local and voluntary bar associations and the University of New Mexico. The events calendar is a really great tool that you can use to find out what's going on around you in the State Bar. This is the default viewer page, but you can choose a number of different options right up here. If you prefer a more icon layout, you can do this one, or if you prefer a typical month or week calendar option, you can click on those. You'll notice the different colors. These actually coordinate it to different categories. We created a bunch of different categories for the different kinds of events and for the different kinds of events that happen. For instance, if you were looking for a CLE hosted at the State Bar, just click New Mexico State Bar Foundation CLE and it will pull up all of our courses. When you find one you're interested in, just click on it and you can find more information. If you want to add it to your calendar, hit the subscribe button and you'll have the option to add it to your Google, Apple, or Outlook calendar. You can also share the event using this button. We've also added an online classified ad section for the website since it is one of the most popular sections in the Bar Bulletin. Under Bar Bulletin and Events, click Classified Ads. We organize the classified ads online in the same way that we do in the hard copy Bar Bulletin. The 4 most common categories we have are positions, services, office space, and miscellaneous. As you can see, all of the classified ads that are in the Bar Bulletin are posted here when you buy an ad in the Bar Bulletin physical copy. We also will post State Bar jobs under this tab when we have them, and we have collected a number of other job search resources here. We update this page on Mondays before the Bar Bulletin even comes out. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you require additional assistance, please contact me at 797-6087 or by email at ekleinschmidt@nmbar.org. Thank you.